All right, it's about that time that we've all been waiting for. With me here in studio is Peter Salasya, who is the Member of Parliament of Mumias East. Good evening. Thank you so much for joining us.
Asante, I'm good.
You're good, yeah?
Yes.
No, mechapa luku kiasi.
Ni hatari.
Well, straight to it, yeah?
Yes.
It's been an eventful year for you. I remember when you were being sworn in, you said you only had 500 shillings at that time. Looking back at then, and what you saw leadership then, going into Parliament, is it what you expected?
Okay. There isn't much because it's now, I used to just hear about it. Now I'm experiencing it.
You're experiencing it, and how is the experience so far?
The experience is good because before I never used to know, like, traveling through the air was not part of me.
Yes.
But nowadays it's like, it's normal.
It's normal.
Now, because the first time when I used the flight for the first time, it was so, but now I'm used to. So then I never used to go to other countries. I used to read them on the syllabus. Is it syllabus or what?
Yes.
But right now, I'm traveling everywhere.
I'm just tempted to ask, because you talked about, the fact that you became a leader, you got the chance to even board a flight. How was your experience? Because I know it can be terrifying at times.
Yeah, okay. For the first time, Mama.
The first time.
The first time. The first time was so tricky because I recall, I really felt like this thing is falling down.
Yeah.
More so when it's now picking up.
Yeah.
So then I was on the Nini. Anyway, yeah. So. Yeah, but
you
but
thought
later
you're
on,
dying, but you didn't. You survived.
Yeah.
Okay.
So they told me it's just normal like that.
Okay. Yeah, it is. But I guess, well, your experience is not the same as my experience, and that's how life is.
Yes.
But now moving on.